Are you tired of the same old purebreds?
If you shoot, they're so annoying and someone can't even breathe right. If you're tired of these guys, then you need to check out our new product.
Introducing Rez Puppy! Made with microscopic Dartilia technology.
This technology makes the dogs virtually indestructible.
But that's not all. They're adorable and very faithful, unlike purebreds that don't even listen to you.
Plus, they can survive the following:
Volcanoes!
hurricanes,
Nuclear bombs!
200-mile-an-hour winds,
And even an apocalypse.
here are a few satisfied customers.
I used to be depressed before I found my Rez dog. Now I've got new meaning in life.
One day I was hunting in the woods, and right out from behind me, this bear came up trying to kill me. Just when I thought I was about to die, this dog right here saved my life. Bit him once, right in the jugular. He ran away, and now everyone needs a Rez dog. Only the rich and famous can afford purebreds.
As you can see, our product satisfies.
Call today.
Warning, does not protect against pregnancy, HIV, or AIDS. Happiness may occur. Dog food not included.
For more information, call 1-800-REZ-PUPPY.
Look at me!
But you guys aren't going to have the dog
Your
in
tongue.
the commercial with you, or one of you can.